Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So, Oukitel has announced a different model of the Oukitel WP100 Titan called the Oukitel WP100. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into what promises to be one of the most intriguing rugged smartphones of the year. Now, as opposed to the Oukitel WP100 Titan that has a built-in projector, the WP100 has something different, which I'll mention later in the video. Anyway, if you're tired of fragile phones that can't keep up with your demanding lifestyle, then grab a seat because this device is built to break barriers, not screens. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications to get the latest tech updates. So without further ado, let's head into it. So let's jump right into the heart of this beast. Under the hood, the Oukitel WP100 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 CPU. Now, for those who might not be intimately familiar with processor names, the Dimensity 7300 is a capable mid-range chip built on a 4-nanometer process. While it might not go head-to-head with the absolute top-tier flagships, it's more than sufficient for smooth multitasking, handling demanding apps, and even some respectable gaming. It offers a strong balance of performance and power efficiency, which is crucial for a device designed for extended use. Moving on to what you'll be looking at all day. The 6.8-inch FHD Plus display with a 1080x2460 resolution. This is a large, vibrant screen perfect for consuming media, navigating maps, or reviewing data in the field. And here's where it gets even better for a rugged phone. A refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. This means incredibly smooth scrolling, fluid animations, and a more responsive feel overall. It's a premium feature that significantly enhances the user experience, often found on much more expensive devices. Now let's talk about memory and storage, and Oukitel is not holding back here. We're looking at a staggering 12 gigabytes of RAM with an additional 24 gigabytes of VRAM and a massive 512 gigabytes of ROM. This combination ensures that the WP100 is a multitasking powerhouse. You can run numerous applications simultaneously without slowdowns, and the generous 512 gigabytes of internal storage means you'll have ample space for all your photos, videos, apps, and documents. That 24 gigabytes of VRAM, or virtual RAM, further boosts performance by allowing the system to temporarily use storage as RAM, offering even more headroom for demanding tasks. For the shutterbugs and night owls out there, the Oukitel WP100's camera setup is quite impressive. The rear camera boasts a 200 MP main camera, capable of capturing incredibly detailed and high-resolution images. This is paired with a 20 MP night vision camera, a game changer for those who work or explore in low-light conditions, and a 2 MP macro camera for getting up close and personal with tiny subjects. On the front, you get a solid 32 MP camera for sharp selfies and clear video calls. But where the Oukitel WP100 truly stands out is in its power department. Feast your eyes on this, a monumental 33,000 mAh typical battery. Let that sink in for a moment. This isn't just a large battery, it's an absolutely gargantuan power cell that promises days, if not weeks, of usage on a single charge, depending on your usage. This is a game changer for anyone who spends extended periods away from power outlets, whether you're camping, on a long expedition, or working on a remote site. And when you do need to top it up, 66-watt fast charging will get you back in action remarkably quickly. Plus, with 18-watt reverse charging, the WP100 effectively doubles as a massive power bank for your other devices. Running the show is Android 14.0, providing a modern, secure, and feature-rich operating system experience. Now, let's talk about the unique selling propositions that set the Oukitel WP100 apart. Unlike its sibling, the WP100 Titan, which focuses on projection, the Oukitel WP100 comes with a built-in laser distance measuring instrument. For professionals in construction, surveying, interior design, or even just DIY enthusiasts, this is an incredibly practical and time-saving tool, eliminating the need to carry a separate device. Imagine quickly measuring distances with precision right from your phone. And for those dark nights, it also features a powerful 1200 lumen camping light. This isn't just a flashlight, it's a serious illumination source, perfect for setting up camp, navigating trails, or even as an emergency light. Beyond these standout features, the WP100 offers a comprehensive suite of functionalities. You've got side fingerprint and Face ID for secure and convenient unlocking. Connectivity is robust with Bluetooth 5.4 and comprehensive GPS plus GLONASS plus Baidu plus Galileo, GPS L1 plus L5, ensures precise positioning for navigation and location-based services. Essential features like FM radio and NFC are also present. The phone includes a range of sensors like a G sensor, proximity sensor, ambient light sensor, compass, gyroscope, OTG, hard coulometer, and sound amplifier, ensuring a well-rounded and versatile user experience. It supports dual nano SIMs and boasts 5G connectivity for blazing fast mobile data, along with Wi-Fi 6 for high-speed wireless internet access. Finally, let's address the elephant in the room for a rugged phone: durability. The Oukitel WP100 is built to withstand the harshest environments. It comes with IP68, IP69K, and MIL STD 810H certifications. What do these mean? IP68 signifies that the phone is fully dust-tight and can be immersed in water up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. IP69K takes it one step further, meaning it can withstand high-pressure, high-temperature water jets, making it suitable for industrial cleaning and harsh outdoor conditions. MIL STD 810H is a military-grade standard, indicating that the device has undergone rigorous testing for extreme temperatures, shock, vibration, humidity, and more. In essence, this phone is designed to survive drops, splashes, dust, and extreme temperatures, making it an ideal companion for outdoor adventurers, construction workers, first responders, or anyone who needs a phone that can truly take a beating. With an expected price of around $650 and an Amazon launch date sometime in July, the Oukitel WP100 presents an incredibly compelling package. It's not just a rugged phone, it's a feature-packed powerhouse with a battery that redefines endurance and unique built-in tools that cater to specific professional and adventurous needs. If you're in the market for a smartphone that's as tough as it's smart, the Oukitel WP100 should definitely be at the top of your list.